Yo, what's up guys, it's Henry. Welcome back with another tech video. This time I'm reviewing these excellent wireless headphones. These are from Mixcder. This model right here is the E9 model, and they have active noise cancellation, which is great because it reduces the surroundings, the noise, and like they put your head on another planet. If you're short on time, these first of all don't break the bank, have impressive battery life, are very comfortable, have very nice soundings, and they are portable. Yeah, so without further ado, let's just jump right in. From the beginning, when I unboxed, the package was simple and straight to the point. I liked the compact hard case, which can protect your headphones, and yeah, the user manual, a warranty card, the micro USB charging cable, the 3.5mm audio jack cable, and the airplane adapter. I would like to start talking on how they sound, because this is very important and the most crucial thing when you buy a pair of headphones. The E9 model has an impedance of 32 ohms, which works perfect in all your portable devices, ranging from smartphones to your computer. Sounds are rich in the mids and the highs. The bass is still there, not the strongest out there, but you can definitely enjoy it. The ANC active noise cancellation switched on plays a very crucial role on these headphones. Once you turn on the ANC, everything changes. The sounding gets excellent, so crisp, clear and rich. When you turn on the ANC, it's like everything goes vital for these headphones and everything gets rich. You know, it's like just with pictures. Imagine a flat picture, like the colors really flat, bump up the colors and add some saturation and contrast, and this picture becomes very vivid. From a very flat picture to a very vivid picture. I use these headphones always switching on the ANC, because without ANC these are like very flat and I don't quite enjoy that. Design-wise, at a first glance, you can notice they are so clean looking, very little marks on the brand, very clean look, and it is made with plastic in combination with matte black and some stainless steel around the headband. These headphones are damn light. I didn't expect when I first saw them, but are so light, weighing at 254 grams. Now, talking about comfortability, these headphones are very comfortable. The ear pads are very squishy and cushiony, and the headband, the inside of the headband is very cushioned as well. And they are adjustable to your head size, and the clamping force is tolerable. And what's more important, the ear pads are made out of protein leather, very soft material, cushiony feel, which means they don't irritate. Yeah, portability is very good on these two. Without a doubt, the portability is 5 out of 5. Now, talking physical buttons. On the left ear cup there's the toggle switch for the ANC, as well as the 3.5mm headphone jack for wired connection in case your battery juice is running low. And on the right ear cup there you'll see 3 buttons: the volume up and down, the power button, and the micro USB charging dock. Using the wired connection you can of course listen to music, turn the ANC, but you are limited and therefore can't use the microphone, the volume buttons up and down, and cannot answer or decline calls. Since these headphones are made primarily for wireless connection, I think that there's a logic. There's where you get access to all the features just by turning on the Wi-Fi. But I love the fact that they actually have put a 3.5mm headphone jack in any case that your battery runs low. As far as connection is concerned, these guys connect pretty easily with Android or Apple, as far as there is Bluetooth enabled. Once you set up the connection between your phone or your computer with your pair of headphones, each time you power the headphones, they connect automatically. Battery, impressive battery life. The Mixcder has equipped E9 with a 500 mAh battery capacity, and they last around 25 to 30 hours wirelessly and can go up to 40 hours if you wire them with your laptop or smartphone, and of course turn on the ANC as much as you want. But yeah, there is these two things that these guys don't quite shine. First is that they are not water resistant. Like if it starts to rain, you need to put them back in your backpack because you don't want to ruin them, right? And the second thing is when battery hits low, it will give you like 5 minutes, and each minute it will make a signal like 2 times, beep beep. And yeah, that's just 5 minutes. I mean, if you're on a bus and you're talking on the phone, you need to quickly shut down the call, because to end the call, because it may reduce the battery even faster and it may shut down in 2 minutes. I would prefer something like 15 minutes before they turn off, and yeah, I think that would be smarter. Other than that, I can't complain of anything for this price. For this price they are sold. They sound great, have surprisingly good ANC, the battery is just phenomenal, and they are wired in the same way. I'm very happy they came to me. Also in the description below you will find the links to buy this from. You can purchase these from Amazon or from the company website itself. But if you go and buy these headphones from the company and register to their website, you'll get 20% off coupon, which you can use it to buy any product that you want, including these. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm Henry. Have a good one. Peace.